an example of what? Liquid in carbon is an acid or a base or a neutral substance. Based on the African acid sulfur. So you know go and write liquid in carbon under base. Any question? Okay, let's do the tomato juice. The tomato juice, use the blue litmus paper. It also turn red. Okay, so the acid, we have two classifications of acid. We have two classifications of acid. Organic acid and inorganic acid. Organic acid, they occur naturally in plants and animals. So most of the things that